Hey guys, your Sunday omoto will never be the same with this seafood cashew nut soup. It's velvety, it's rich and delicious. You're going to need your cashew nut butter and you need some crabs, the small ones, the ones that we call nga inga. Clean it up nicely and set it aside. And then you also need your smoked fish and some prawns. Trust me, what a beautiful combo. Next, you're going to add your seasoning to the seafood. No water, just the seasoning, and allow this to steam very gently. This will take roughly about 5 to 10 minutes. Add a kokomesa, fresh basil to it, and a sprinkling of salt and anise seed. Anise seed is beautiful on seafood, so never forget your anise seed. Sprinkle this over and mix it in gently. Next, you're going to take out the prawns because they are very delicate. You don't want them to get spoiled in there. So you're adding your cashew nut butter and you're going to mix this through with the seafood, right? It's almost a bit like you are frying it in with the seafood. This process is very similar to cooking groundnut soup. So you have to be patient and allow the cashew nut butter to cook in the steamed fish and crabs. And as it browns, you're going to add a little bit of water to allow all the natural oils of the cashew nut to come out. And there you have it. And you can add a little bit more water as you go along. So give it about 5 minutes between each addition. Add tomato paste, mix it in nicely. And then you're going to add more water to top it up and allow it to cook. This is a great time to be adding more water to the top of the saucepan because as it cooks, the cashew nuts will be thickening and also the liquid will be reducing. So add enough water to the saucepan. And then you're going to be adding your pureed tomatoes. Usually about 3 or 4 tomatoes is enough. And a little bit more of salt. Be tasting your food. Add garden eggs and okra in there and a little bit more pepper. You want to add back your cooked prawns in. Now they'll cook beautifully with it and not break up in the soup. The more oil you see rising to the top of your soup, you know that it's almost ready. And that looks amazing. It looks delicious and I can't wait. I don't know what you guys would enjoy this with, but omoto is the answer for me. And I've had a lot of soups, but this soup will be the best. This will be like the top of my list. It's so good.
Well, serious. This one, dear. Serious.
I really enjoyed this meal with my mom. As you can see, she said a word of prayer in Ghana. Charlie, it was getting long some way. So yeah, but it was great. It's a great time to bond with my mom. We enjoyed a really hearty, nutritious meal. Cashew nut is all that. It's incredibly nutritious, even more than groundnuts. So making this was a joy for me. It was, it took a long time, you know how Ghanaian food is, but it was super rewarding and I'm really glad I made the time to cook this dish. And I would encourage you to try it at home as well. If you love this video, please share it, add your comments, wherever you see it. Keep sharing and keep commenting and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys. God bless. Bye.